Hey guys, this is Andy Man here. Today we'll be doing something a little bit different. So, sorry for my production rate. It's been pretty slow because of school, so I haven't made any videos. But I figured that since school's been really heavy, I'd make a video because this is a science experiment that I've been assigned to do. And basically, I'll be demonstrating electromagnetism. So, right here we have a battery and some tape, some electrical tape or just some black duct tape. And then we have copper wire attached to one end, and then we're going to attach this other side to the other end, and then we're going to tape it all up, and it should become an electromagnet. But also, as you can see here, we have a little screw with the copper wire wrapped around it. That is what makes it magnetized, because when a current is flowing through the copper wire, it creates a small amount of electricity. But when you wrap a copper wire in a coil around an iron object, it creates an even stronger magnetic field, which makes it more powerful in simpler terms. So let's go ahead and get started on this. I have some gloves standing here with me because the battery does get really hot when you do this. So I'm going to tape this on here. Alrighty, that should do it. And so basically, I get my gloves now, and this should be an electromagnet. Let me put these on real quick. Only reason I'm using these is because safety is #1 priority. Make sure to check out Crazy Russian Hacker. That's his motto. I'll put the link to his channel in the description. He does a lot of cool science experiments. But the battery's getting a little hot. Oh, did you see that? Hold on real quick. I'm going to come over to the other side here so you guys can see this a little bit better. But watch this. Boom. Electromagnetism achieved. Look at that. Whoops, I dropped it. And then we have this here. Let's see if I can lift this. Here we go. You can tell it's sticking, but it's kind of it's probably a little bit too heavy. Hold on. Let me make sure everything's stuck. Oh, here it goes. Alright, so you can tell it's lifting. It's a little bit hard to lift though, because it's heavy. So yeah, I think the experiment worked pretty well. If you guys want to try this yourself, all you're going to need is a battery, copper wire, some electrical tape, a screw, and 2 metal objects that can be magnetized. And just to prove that this is a real experiment, I'm going to go ahead and undo it real quick. Hold on. I just don't want to burn myself because this battery gets really, really hot. As you can tell, the adhesive is melting a little bit. This is hard. Hold on, give me a second. Okay, so I just realized I didn't have to undo the whole thing, but I just got my screw here. And as you can see, it's not sticking. Watch. See, look, it's not sticking. Put it on, pull it. Even if I try this big fat part. Stick it on. Nope. It's not doing anything still. So that is why it's so cool. So if I take this battery and wrap it around, hold on. Okay, so as you can see now, I got it wrapped around. Attach this side of the copper wire here. Hold on. I don't want to burn myself. Battery's still hot from the last part we did it. Alright. So that's taped on now. Ooh, that got really hot over here. Oh wow, hold on real quick. So as you can see right there, it made a little hole in the tape itself just from the heat. That's insane. That's really hot. Okay, so now that that's done, gotta get my gloves again because safety is #1 priority. My other one. And so, once again, get it all taped in here. Make sure it stays. Grab it. So remember, same screw, same exact screw. It just has a copper wire attached to it, and there's an electrical current flowing through it. So touch it, boom, electromagnetism, just like that. So without the battery and without the copper wire, and without it being wrapped around the screw, it would pretty much do virtually nothing. So I think next we're going to do a little bit bigger scale on an experiment. I got my dad to help me out with this experiment, but let's go ahead and try it and see if it works. Okay guys, so we just finished making our bigger model. So as you can see, we have 3 C batteries taped together, and we have this big like bolt ready to go. And so we're gonna tape the other side of the copper wire. We got a little bit better copper wire to do this with. And now we're gonna see if this works. It's kind of hard to grip because these are really. Oh, look at that! It works really good. Got that one. Let's see if I can get the screw. Oh, it almost gets the screw. Yep, it gets it. See if I can get some synergy going. Oh yeah, I got it. Wow, that's so cool. So as you can tell, the bigger scale magnet worked a lot better. Let's try doing something a little different. Let's see. So attach this one to here. Whoops. I'm gonna have to do this. No, I'm gonna have to pick this up. Alright, so get the, hold on. Ah, it's bouncing. Alright, there we go. Got the first object. I'm not sure we're gonna be able to pick up this whole thing, but that worked really well, guys. I'm so happy that that worked. It's awesome. So this scale of the magnet worked really well. I'm actually kind of surprised because I wasn't quite sure if this was gonna work again, but it ended up working. So if you want to do this experiment, get a better copper wire, get 3 C batteries, tape them together, and then get a big bolt, and it'll work. Hey guys, it's ZanyMan here. Just wanted to thank you for watching that video. That was actually a pretty cool science experiment. I didn't think it was going to work that well at first, but after I got the whole thing working, worked pretty well. So I'm glad I did that video. It's fun to make. So if you guys were surfing around on YouTube and you found this video, make sure to check out my channel. It'll be appearing right there. Also, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.